Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, sir.
Get seated. So, today we are still looking at hygiene practices. Hygiene practices, that is the strand that we are still looking at. And then under the strand, sub-strand, we are looking at safety measures when cleaning different surfaces at home. Remember yesterday we looked at on how to clean a wooden table. Yesterday we looked on how to clean a wooden table. So there are those measures you put into consideration as you are doing that cleaning. And that is what we are going to look at today. Safety measures when cleaning different surfaces at home. What are we going to look at today, class?
Safety measures when cleaning different surfaces at home.
What are we going to look at, class?
Safety measures when cleaning different surfaces at home.
Yes. Before we look at safety measures, can someone remind me the surfaces we can clean at home? Example of surfaces we can clean at home. One? Yes? 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 Wait, it's right up mchezo. One? Yes. Yes. Window surfaces? Yes. That is our material. We want to look at the surfaces. Yes. Floors. Other floors? Yes. Classes? Yes. Walls? Yes. Yes. Tables, it can be a glass table or a wooden table. So those are the surfaces we normally clean. So as you do the cleaning, there are those safety measures you put into consideration. Okay? Right. So, like number one, we are saying, collect all cleaning tools, equipment, and materials before starting to clean. Like for example, you are cleaning a wooden table. Can you open where we said cleaning of a wooden table? Open where we wrote cleaning of wooden table. And we are saying before you start cleaning, collect all cleaning tools, equipment, and materials. Can you name some of the materials that you will require when you are cleaning a wooden table? One?
Soap.
Warm water. Soap.
Clean dry cloth.
Clean dry cloth. Soft cloth. Yes? Mild abrasive, yes? Soft brush. So that is what you require. That is what you have to get. You collect those materials first, put them there. Then number two, you must make sure that you wear comfortable shoes that do not slip on wet floors. Like so you are cleaning, you are busy cleaning. Then you fall down. You fall down. Then unfortunately or fortunately, you fall down on a very sharp knife. Then the blood starts oozing out. So instead of continue to clean the surface, you are now nursing a wound. Accident has occurred. So for that not to happen, we are saying wear comfortable shoes that do not slip on wet floors. Like you have just mopped your house and you have forgotten to rinse it well. That is a cemented floor. It is wet and it's having soap. You know how slippery it is. You know how slippery it is? Then you fall down. That is what we are trying to put that consideration as a measure. Then we are saying remove any item that may cause you to slip and fall. Examples of items that might cause you to slip and fall is, for example, banana peelings. Banana? Yes. How many of you have eaten a banana today? Today. A banana. Where did you draw those peelings? Oh, eh? Ama nyinyi wale mnakulanga mpaka na hiyo maganda ya ndizi mnakula? Eh? Mulitupa. So assume you did not throw them away, iko tu hapo. Na wewe mbio unakuja, you want to wash the window pane, glass window pane. Unakuja mbio. Kichwa kwa hiyo glass. Then accident has occurred. So we are saying remove any item that may cause you to slip and fall. Okay?
Alright.
Next is that you follow the correct procedure when cleaning different surfaces at home. So remember, every surface we have been looking at, we have been very keen to look at the procedure. To look at the procedure of cleaning the same surface. For example, can you open where we wrote how to clean? Can you open where we wrote how to clean the glass window? Open there. I want to see that procedure. How to clean a glass window. Open. Okay, open your book. Are we there?
Yes.
Procedure. Look at the procedure. Can you read procedure number 1?
Remove curtains.
You remove curtains. Yes. You know, you cannot start washing the window when the curtains are there. No. It cannot be like that. Step 2. Can you read?
Close the windows.
You close the
Windows.
Yes. Then the next step.
Dust from the top.
You dust the window pane from the top downwards. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Like that. So we are saying that point, I only wanted to show you that following the correct procedure is very, very important. Make sure you follow the right procedure. Hey. Not like some of you will just start brushing the window without dusting when the window is open. And then there is a point we said, where do you start by cleaning or washing the window? Do you start from outside or inside? Which side do you start with? Huh? You see now, you see some of you. Oh, okay. Those are some of those who don't have glass windows at home. But those who have glass windows, we said we start from? Inside. Outside. Yes, we start from outside. That is the procedure. Because you start from outside, then when you close the window, you now wash the inside part. Okay?
Alright.
So, we want to end there because that was what we are to look at today. And then you also try to look at the care after finishing everything, after finishing washing, cleaning and all that. You have what we call care of cleaning equipment and materials. Those materials you have used, you need to clean and wash those materials and then store them. That is very, very necessary.